What is Republic.co? Republic.co is an online crowdfunding platform that connects users with different types of investors. From startups to real estate, it has helped more than 1 million individuals and institutions raise over $150 million in the last year. Diversification can help minimize risk and boost returns. Aside from stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, accredited investors also have the ability to invest in various other types of assets. This is especially beneficial for people with high cash flow. Republic.co is one of the many crowdfunding platforms that allow non-accredited investors to get into real estate and startups. Republic.co is a crowd investing platform that can be used by individuals wanting to make money fast. Republic.co is a crowdfunding platform that features autopilot verified vetting and due diligence as best for non-accredited investors with limited capital. Republic.co is an investment platform that connects users with various different investment opportunities. Paul Menchov and Kendrick Nguyen are the co-founders of Republic, a startup that enables anyone to raise money anonymously. Republic is different from other crowdfunding platforms mainly due to its crowd-safe. This is because it only accepts one line item for investors. As an investor, this means that your name will not appear on a cap sheet even during a liquidation event. It also means that you can't convert your investment unless there is a liquidity event, such as an IPO or acquisition. To get started, all you need to do is register for an account. The team behind Republic is dedicated to making the process as simple as possible. You can also sign up for Republic with a Facebook or Twitter account. Once you sign up, you'll be asked a few questions to help you understand the various risks and limitations of crowdfunding. Many of these facts are true if you open a brokerage account at a major financial institution like Vanguard or TD Ameritrade. However, they are sometimes misleading if you are not an experienced investor. This form walks you through the various factors that you should consider when investing in startups, such as the high risk involved, the limitations on how long you can sell your securities, and the importance of doing your due diligence. You'll be asked to provide us with some information about yourself to get a better understanding of who you are and what your goals are. Once you've finished this section, you can start investing. You can do so through crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter. When you click on a company to invest in, it will give you detailed information about their fundraising campaign, including the number of investors who have already contributed and the minimum amount that they require to invest. It will also give you an idea of their business model and how they're trying to solve their problems. Instead of being charged anything to use their platform, investors get a percentage of the company's earnings. With their autopilot feature, you can set a monthly contribution limit and forget it. It lets you invest for as little as $20. Due diligence and vetting are the key components of any investment decision. At Republic, they carefully screen and evaluate companies applying for funding. Upon reaching this stage, a company is subject to Republic's due diligence process, which involves carrying out various tasks and activities related to the company. Republic is evaluated by its team of experts, who have worked for companies such as Facebook, Google, and BlackRock. The ease of registration and the layout of its website makes it incredibly easy to register to Republic. Its robust knowledge base and an easy-to-navigate interface make it a great place to learn about investing. If you're not an investor, Republic allows people with limited financial resources to invest in real estate and startups. This is a great opportunity for people with limited financial resources. Unlike other crowdfunding platforms, Republic doesn't charge any additional fees. This is also true for most of its investments. High-risk investing is not for everyone. If you can't afford to make a big loss on your Republic investments, avoid it. While Republic is an accredited investor platform, it can certainly serve as an intermediary for people who are not yet ready to commit to a more traditional brokerage. One of the biggest pros to Republic is its ease of use. If you're not comfortable using a website or smartphone, then you should definitely consider Republic. The fact that only 5% of applicants can raise money through the Republic makes it less risky to invest in startups without doing a lot of research. Unlike other crowdfunding platforms, Republic doesn't charge any fees or minimums. It allows you to invest in stocks and bonds at low prices. As most of us know, investing in startups is very risky. This is why Republic has created helpful materials and FAQs to help people navigate through this process. Since there is no guarantee that you will get rewarded in the long run, it is best to wait for a liquidity event to happen before selling. Generally, 5 to 10 years is ideal for most investors. Not being an accredited investor means that you can't put a large amount of money into a startup account. Generally, stocks are only allowed to be invested at $2,200 a year. Even though investing in startups and equities can be very risky, there are rewards to be had if you have the necessary expendable income. If you're serious about investing, then Republic is the platform for you. Its user interface is simple and its support resources are impeccable. For more casual investors, it may be a safer option to stick with stocks and mutual funds. However, there are some serious disadvantages to investing with Republic. For people who want to be part of the cutting-edge startup community but are not convinced that the wealthy should have the final say in the matter, Republic is a great platform to get started. Ever wish that you had the opportunity to invest in a startup like Facebook or Netflix when they were just starting out? If you are a relatively new investor, or maybe even an experienced one, Republic is a great place to discuss and learn about the various issues that arise when you become an investor. With blockchain technology and communication now, I think it will only take 3 to 5 years for people to start micro-investing in a variety of businesses. Thanks for watching. Looking to start a business? Click below.